But think about rather finding or doing something that you just want to get out of bed to do because you're so excited to do it. Whether that is cooking, whether that's teaching, coaching, dressing up, having a YouTube channel about fashion, about beauty, about lifestyle, about creating, whatever that thing is, when you're passionate about it, you will feel more fulfilled and you will feel more motivated to do that thing. Hey, trendsetters, welcome back to the channel where I help you to thrive through mindset, through lifestyle, and through financial independence. Now, in today's topic, we'll be diving into a very interesting topic that I know you've been searching for. Since you watched the last video, how to find your passion and your purpose, now I'm sure you're curious to find out how you can monetize, start making some money from your purpose and from your passion. Now, that's what we're going to cover in this video. Let's get right into it. Number one, why is passion the foundation for profit? Think about it. When you do something that you love, how do you do it? You do it with more joy. You take more time to do it. You take more pleasure to do it. Think about that job that you don't like, that you have to get up every Monday morning to go, and you feel like so frustrated, like you're sighing, you keep snoozing the alarm because that's not your passion. It's not fulfilling. You're not ignited. You're not passionate about it. It's not sparkling a feeling of joy within your soul. So you're not excited about going to work. But think about rather finding or doing something that you just want to get out of bed to do because you're so excited to do it. Whether that is cooking, whether that's teaching, coaching, dressing up, having a YouTube channel about fashion, about beauty, about lifestyle, about creating, whatever that thing is, when you're passionate about it, you will feel more fulfilled and you will feel more motivated to do that thing. So my trendsetters, when you do what you love, the energy you bring is contagious, and that energy is the foundation of building a profitable venture. But here's the thing, trendsetter. Passion isn't enough. You need strategy also. So I'm going to share with you 3-step blueprint to turn your passion into a profitable business. Before we go into the 3-step blueprint to start monetizing your passion and your purpose, as I mentioned in my other video, I didn't mention, I forget to add this book. This book is one of the ways that helped me to find my passion and my purpose while I myself was on the same passion searching journey and how to monetize my passion, my skill, and my expertise. So this book is on Amazon. I'm going to leave it in my link below in the description below or in the comments that you can go get it if you've watched my previous video on finding your passion, but this will also help you. Now, for example, if you have gone through this book and you have found your 5 top strengths, say, for example, you found out that your strength is being a maximizer. Now, what Clifton did recommend, the ideas for action if you're a maximizer like myself, is to seek roles in which you are helping people succeed. Example, in coaching, managing, mentoring, or teaching roles, your focus on strengths will prove particularly beneficial to others. So if you have discovered that this is one of your strengths and you want to monetize, for example, coaching or mentorship. Now we're going to do the blueprint for how you can monetize this strength or this passion or this purpose of yours. Now, as I mentioned in this 3-step blueprint, the first thing is you're going to identify a problem that you can solve. Every profitable idea solves a problem. Ask yourself, how can my passion make someone's life easier? So again, as I just said, if you realize that your passion is in coaching or mentoring, you know that you can help somebody else's life better. But now you're going to even dig deeper to see what is the true problem. That's how you're going to monetize it, by coaching, mentorship, or having some online courses or some digital products. But you have to first identify the problem. Be specific of the coaching niche that you want to go in, the mentorship niche that you want to go in, to find to create the solution for this ideal problem. Now, how you're going to find this, you're going to think about some experiences that you have been through. You're going to think about some education that you have learned or gained so that you can help this person to solve this problem, right? So number one, find a problem that you have the solution to solve and make money from helping that person to achieve that solution to that problem. That's the first step in the blueprint. Step number two, you're going to start off small and scale big, right? What do I mean by starting off small? First of all, remember, I told you passion is a journey of discovery, right? So you might step out to launch this business, and then after you step in and start doing this, you realize that you don't like it anymore, right? For example, real estate. I was very passionate about helping people buy houses. I thought houses was just, go around and showcasing houses. But then when I started the real estate course, I realized, this is much more work than I've anticipated. I'm not passionate about all this paperwork and dealing with all these clients. Some clients can be very heavily burdened in real estate. They can be very demanding, right? There's different personality of people out there. So with that being said, I realized that I wasn't as passionate as I thought I would be stepping into and getting my real estate license. Now I'm still practicing as a realtor, but I find myself that I'm more passionate about YouTube. So first, what you want to do is start small. Start off with a side hustle to try it out to see if it's something that you will like. For example, if it's coaching or mentorship, start off with one-to-one client, create an offer and you see if persons are interested in it. Start off with your friends, your family, your close circle, right? So you're going to create that offer and you're going to get yourself out there. I think that's number 3. I'm stepping ahead of myself. So once you identify the problem, 2, you're going to start off small, start off as a side hustle, right? Start off with it as a side hustle rather than starting off a big business that you might not like after starting it. Then number 3, you're going to get yourself out there. People need to know you. They need to like you. They need to trust you before they invest and swipe their credit card with you. I know I've mentioned this in several other videos before, but that's the fact. If you're going to start off a business, whether it's a side business or a main business, you have to be out there. You have to utilize one of these online social media platforms. So whether that's going to be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever it is, you choose which one you're more passionate about. Blogging, you can even choose blogging. But to promote, you have to be out there. So, and I know this is when the little mindset gremlins are going to start creeping up in your head that, I don't want to hear my voice. I don't think that whatever I'm saying is right, or you're fearful of what people are going to say about you, or you're just fearful of putting yourself out there on the camera. No, this is when you need the mindset work. And this is when you need to go back to watch my series of videos that I did about thriving in life in after 40 and entering 2025 with a brand new mindset, a brand new mission, and a brand new vision, right? So if you really want to monetize those skills, those gifts, those passions that you have to be out there. If nobody knows that you are offering coaching, you're offering mentorship, you're a private tutor, how are they going to find you? So you have to go create. So say, for example, you want to do like online courses. I've done a full video on how to do that. If you want to start off with doing a course, then I would recommend Teachable, as I recommend in this video. So you can go check it out and watch it after watching this video, of course. So there you go, trendsetters. Now it's your turn to start monetizing. See, I've been so multi-passionate. I've spoke about this several times on this channel, that I've jumped from several different things, doing several different things. But it takes action for you to discover what you really like, and if this is really a source of income that can sustain you, right? So now it's your time. Drop it in the comments. Let me know what you're passionate about, so that I can help to create some ideas for you to monetize your passion and your skills. Now, in my next video, I will be sharing different ways of how you can create multiple income streams. So maybe you'll get some ideas from that other video. So with that said, go subscribe right now so you don't miss that video when it drops. And thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I see you in my next video. Bye for now.